The Nike Dunk Low, originally crafted by Peter Moore in the early 80s, returns with a fresh twist for warmer months. This release flips the script with a pitch black leather base serving as a sleek backdrop for soft sail hairy suede overlays that wrap the forefoot, heel, and tongue. A faux-aged midsole, nodding to Air Jordan 1 heritage, injects a vintage vibe into the modernized design. The contrast between dark, smooth leather and light, textured suede delivers both visual punch and versatile wearability, easily pairing with casual or elevated outfits. While rooted in basketball history, this version embraces a lifestyle-driven aesthetic, blending old-school construction with contemporary flair. The result is a sneaker that feels both familiar and fresh, cementing the Dunk's place as a streetwear staple. Now available at Nike.com, it's a go-to pick for spring and summer rotations that value understated style and heritage-inspired craftsmanship.